Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly react to a message from a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and find the envelope icon labeled Messages. Click on it to enter your direct message inbox, where all your private conversations and group chats are stored. Next, scroll through your conversations until you find the group chat you want to interact with. Click on the group to open the full message thread. Now, browse through the messages until you spot the one you want to react to. Here's the new and improved part. With the recent update, reacting to a specific message is easier than ever. Simply move your mouse cursor over the message you want to react to. As you hover, you'll see a set of reaction options appear right next to the message. This new emoji picker gives you a wider variety of emojis to choose from, so you can express yourself more accurately and add some fun to your group conversations. Once the reaction options are visible, just click on the emoji that best fits your response. Your reaction will instantly appear beneath the message, letting everyone in the group see how you feel about what was said. It's a quick, simple, and engaging way to communicate without typing a full reply. This feature is designed to make group chats more interactive and lively, helping you respond in real time and keep the conversation flowing. Whether you're showing support, agreement, or just sharing a laugh, reacting with an emoji is now just a hover and a click away, and that's it. You've just learned how to quickly react to a message in a group chat on X using your PC. Try it out next time you're in a group conversation and see how it transforms your messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on using X's latest features.